Hello, I'm Lockloony, and what I've got here for you is a nice little padlock from China, as it says here on the keys, and opens nicely, is not shimmable, and it's a disc detainer lock. And to pick these, I'm going to use the tool that came with my locksport lockpicking set. I'm not going to turn these discs around in any direction. They're just where they were when I took out the key. Open, close, turn the key to the max, then push down this tool. And what I'm now doing is technically some kind of raking. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's quicker. Let's see how fast it's this time. Turning a bit back and forth. Up a bit, go down a bit. And we've got an notebook. Whoa. Yes, I've never seen a video on YouTube where somebody was raking a disc detainer lock. I think this tool is normally for wafer locks or something. And yep, it's not the fastest method, but it works. Okay, that's all there is. If you have comments on that, I'd be very interested. And I really hope you liked this video. If you have comments, questions, anything, please put them below, and I hope to see you again on this channel. Bye!